A woman accused of trying to kill her own children, still sitting in jail tonight.
And court documents say that this woman, Alicia Cade, was arrested on April 16th. WBTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn is live and local tonight with this bizarre story. Aaron, you talked to some of her neighbors and they told you they believe that she may have mental health issues.
Yeah, Guy Carla, right now I'm standing outside of the house that Alicia Cade is accused of trying to kill her 3 children inside of. Now, neighbors that I talked to earlier today said that Cade put one of her older children out of the house before she tried to kill the younger ones. And it's that older child who called the police to report what she was doing. And neighbors also tell me that they believe that Cade was going through a mental health struggle, but they wish that she would have asked for the help that she needed to keep this from happening. For this quiet Springville community, neighbors say seeing this outside their homes is anything but ordinary.
A bunch of cops being outside, it drew a lot of attention, so me and a couple of the other neighbors came out to see what was going on.
Court documents show Alicia Cade tried to kill her 3 children on April 14th. 2 days later, she was formally arrested. A neighbor caught her on video being wheeled away from her home on a stretcher.
I was really hurt about it, really hurt about it. Being a parent, you never want to see your kids hurt. You never want to be that person to hurt your kids.
Court documents say Cade locked herself and her children in a running car inside their garage. She's also accused of starting a fire at the home.
It is concerning, being a parent myself, that I feel like, the kids were the ones who should have been protected in this case.
Residents in the Archers Cove neighborhood say they're shocked and disturbed, and some believe she may have been dealing with mental health issues.
The dog got out and started chasing her kids, and there was some incident of her coming out, maybe brandishing a gun.
Some say they remember having a few run-ins with Cade, while others say she stayed to herself.
There were no signs of something was mentally or something was really going on in that household.
It's a quiet thing whenever someone needs that kind of help, so I hope that she finds it. It's unfortunate that the kids got tangled up in that.
And some neighbors believe this could have been avoided.
There's so many resources out there for people with mental health. I just wish you would have reached out to anybody.
Now, according to court documents, Cade is also accused of, assaulting a healthcare worker and a police officer in a previous incident in Mobile County. So right now, she is waiting in St. Clair County Jail to be taken back to Mobile to face those charges. Live here in Springville, Aaron Llewellyn, WBTM 13.